All right, doing a deeper dive of Nexi, I always like to go deeper on these. And one of the things I like to start with whenever I'm looking at these pump stocks is the monthly chart. So it's like the first thing I look at when I see something running, I look at the monthly and I start marking out levels in the monthly. So and I view those as pivot points / liquidity levels. All right, so here is another one. Didn't get up that high. And looking at bodies and wicks. So right there, look at that body, came right up to just about there. This is where I turned around. But, I would have had that all marked out, and I would have had an order set to take profit there if I was long. Now looking at a 5-minute chart, you can see it has a nice leg up here, 73%. Really, actually, even from here, right, so you got 100%. So that's leg 1, A, B, C. When this leg ends up being quite a bit bigger, 180, almost 200%. Right, but you have a nice move, and with the squeeze, right? The moving average is kind of going sideways. Get this kind of wedge here, and this is somewhat of a descending wedge. But right here, I think, is where it trapped a lot of shorts. So I think not everybody, people that were looking to short were like, okay, I'll put my stop here, lower high, short it, and then this is where it's on the 2-minute, going back. You can see it curling up right here. Right, so it traps some shorts, and then you get some big volume coming in. Look at the 5-minute volume here. 252. These green dots are 252 bar highs, so 1, 2, 3, and also another new 252 price high is white. Green and white is both. Okay, so it's coming up here. Screaming hot, then a nice little continuation move for one more leg higher. So that first leg is about 110%. Second leg, let's get this out of the way, 30%, so it's 40%, so it's slowing down about half of the first leg, so you can see it's slowing down, right? And you can see that on a 1-minute chart, probably a little better. But you set up your first squeeze here with this wedge. Let's go back to the run here. Okay, so you get a pop, it starts showing up on everyone's scanners, then it's a halt, dip and rip, people are buying here. Okay, then you come in here tight, pretty choppy, you get a nice clean move there. I actually bought it in here and held through this halt. 10-minute halts tend to work the best, and that's what you get here. Now you get one more move setting up. Come back to the moving average. That is such a nice little beautiful wedge here. Love drawing wedges. Okay. Squeeze, also squeeze, and then here you get the volume coming in right there. So I would take it a break above this high, and another almost 30% move. Then we get one more time. Now you're starting to see more sell signals in here, these purple bars. It's not screaming up higher, the moving average is cooling off. And we're starting to see red. Okay. And it's also now lunchtime, so most traders have quit for the day. So you have one little setup in here, and this is where it fails. Right, so short it with your stop loss right there. Even like right here. You get a nice clean move down to VWAP. Then you get some more basing, halt down, nice squeeze, and you can probably just trail some with scale out, trail some with the moving average.